Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the eighth question in this chapter. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous questions as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description, and this question was asked in the CBSE examination of 2006. Okay, so the question says, for what value of n is the nth term of the following two APs same? Okay, now remember, even before we solve this question, I want to tell you that n is always a whole number. Okay, which means if you have to find the second term of the series, you can find it is 7. If you want to find the third term of the series, it is 13, you can find, but you can never find n as the what is the 1.5th number in the series. Okay, so you have to remember that n is always a whole number, it cannot be a fraction. N is a whole number, it cannot be a fraction. Okay, so or I should rather say n should be a natural number. Okay, it cannot be a fraction. Now let's start solving this one. So we have two APs here. Okay, so let me denote the first term and common difference of this one as A1 and D1, and the first term and common difference of this one as A2 and D2. Okay, so because it says that the nth term of the two APs are same, what is the nth term of the first AP? It is A1 plus n minus 1 into D1. And what is the nth term of the second AP? It will be A2 plus n minus 1 into D2. Now remember, I'm not putting n as n1 and n2 because the nth term is the same. Okay, the same number of term which should be the same. So A1 here is 1, which we can see. N minus 1 is what we have to find, and D1 is 6. And this should be equal to, and this should also be equal to A2, which is 69 plus n minus 1, into D2, and D2 here is minus of 1. Now what this becomes is, let's just open all the brackets and start solving this one. This becomes 1 plus 6n minus of 6 is equal to 69 minus of n and plus of 1. Okay, so the 1 gets cancelled with 1. This n I move it here, so it becomes 7n, and this becomes 69 plus 6, which is equal to 75. Now look at this. N is equal to 75 upon 7, which is not giving me a natural number. Okay, this is not giving me a natural number. This number is always going to be a fraction. So the answer is, there is no value of n. There is no value of n for which these two APs will have the same nth term. Okay, they will cross each other. This is reducing and this is increasing. So the two APs will cross each other at some point, but they will never have the same nth term. I I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do shoot your questions at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers, and God bless.